The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults, equipped with a peak 1200W brushless motor, is a noteworthy entry in the electric bike market. With a blend of power, design, and functionality, this e-bike is tailored for both commuting and recreational use. In this review, we will delve into various aspects of the ACTBEST Core, including its performance, build quality, comfort, features, and overall value. Starting with the motor, the ACTBEST Core boasts a peak 1200W brushless motor that delivers impressive acceleration and speed. This motor is a standout feature, enabling riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on the terrain and riding conditions. Whether you are navigating city streets or tackling hilly paths, this bike provides the power you need to conquer your journey with ease. The motor assists seamlessly, making it suitable for both novice riders and seasoned cyclists looking for a reliable e-bike that can handle diverse environments. One of the key components that sets the ACTBEST Core apart is its robust battery system. The bike is equipped with a 48V20L lithium-ion battery, which not only ensures a substantial range but also enhances the overall performance. Depending on factors such as riding style and conditions, users can expect a range of 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for a bike in this category. The battery charges relatively quickly and is conveniently removable, allowing for easy charging at home or work. This feature adds a layer of practicality, especially for those who may not have easy access to charging infrastructure. The build quality of the ACTBEST Core is commendable. The frame is constructed from durable aluminum alloy, which not only contributes to the bike's lightweight design but also enhances its strength and stability. Weighing approximately 65 pounds, the bike strikes a balance between robustness and manageability. The geometry of the frame is well designed, providing comfortable ergonomics for a variety of body types. Whether you are cruising leisurely or tackling more aggressive riding, the bike feels solid and reliable. Comfort is another significant aspect to consider when evaluating the ACTBEST Core. The bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven terrain, making for a smoother ride. Combined with a padded saddle that offers ample cushioning, the bike is designed for longer rides without discomfort. The adjustable seat height further enhances the riding experience, allowing users to customize their fit for optimal comfort. Additionally, the ergonomic handlebars provide a natural grip, reducing fatigue on longer journeys. The ACTBEST Core also comes equipped with a range of features that enhance its usability. The bike includes a bright LED headlight and a rear reflector, ensuring visibility during night rides. This is particularly important for safety, as many riders use e-bikes for commuting, often in low-light conditions. The bike also features a digital display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, which is invaluable for monitoring performance while riding. One of the most appealing aspects of the ACTBEST Core is its versatility. With 3 riding modes: electric, assist, and traditional cycling, riders can choose how they want to utilize the bike. The electric mode allows for full throttle control, while the pedal assist mode provides varying levels of support based on how much effort the rider exerts. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of users, from those who want to conserve energy to those who prefer a more traditional cycling experience. However, like any product, the ACTBEST Core has its drawbacks. One area that could be improved is the assembly process. While the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, some users have reported that the final assembly can be a bit challenging. Clearer instructions and perhaps a video tutorial could significantly enhance the user experience during setup. Additionally, the bike's weight, while providing stability, may be a consideration for those who need to transport it frequently. Pricing is always a critical factor when evaluating an e-bike, and the ACTBEST Core offers competitive pricing within its category. Given its features, performance, and build quality, it presents a solid value proposition.